Hi guys, welcome back to Redefining 50 Plus. Sorry it's been taking us so long to come back with a new video. We haven't been doing anything exciting like holidays or anything like that. We've just been really busy doing other family stuff. But we're back with a new video and we hope you like it. Yeah, this video is all about the one look for different skin tones. As you can see, we're wearing a shocking blue. Not shocking as in awful, but shocking as in bright. And it's just about showing you that doesn't matter what skin tone you are, you know, you can wear these colors. Don't be afraid to wear bright colors. I know what I used to be like, stuck to the browns and the browns and the browns, but hey, I'm rocking the blue today, and so is my sister. That's right. So what we're gonna do, my sister is gonna show you how to do it, a quick tutorial how to do it on herself, and then we'll round it up at the end. Right, first I'm going to apply the primer to the eyelid. From the Revlon Makeup Revolution palette Sofix, I'm going to use the colour Cup of Tea for my transition colour. From the Magic by Juvia palette, I'm going to use that for the colour after my transition colour. And the colour I'm using is Zakaya. I think that's how you pronounce it. Make sure to blend the colours together. So from this palette, it's not even the palette, this one single colour which I've had for years, it's the Bourgeois Blue and it's in the colour 03. It's like a navy blue. I'm going to use that for the crease to define the line later for the cut crease. I mean, I have hooded eyes, so it's a little bit more difficult to find where the line goes, but we'll make it work. This is Pro Concealer, and I'm going to use this to cut the crease. Don't need it much, you just need a little bit. If you get too much, it just gets really messy, so you just take a tiny bit of concealer and just from the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. I'm using the colour Dalia for my eyelid. I'm spraying it with a bit of fixed spray. Any fixed spray will do. I'm just going to use this all over my lid. I'm just going to go back over with the Bourjois navy blue to brighten up the crease bit, just to make it a little bit more noticeable. I'm going to take a wipe just to wipe away the excess. This is some liquid eyeliner, so I'm just going to use this for my eyeliner. I'm not the best at doing eyeliner, so please don't judge. Take the wipe and wipe away the excess. Try and neaten up this wing as much as I can. I'm now going to apply the rest of my makeup. From this palette, I'm going to use this for the under part of my eye, and I'm going to use the colour Zola. I'm just going to put some eyeliner in my waterline, some black eyeliner. And try not to I'm just going to go back with that Zola colour from that Masquerade palette and smudge it. And then from the Magic by Juvia Place palette, I'm going to use the colour Baronu for the inner corner. Small amount of the same colour on my brows to highlight my brows. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.
Yes guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and don't be afraid to wear bold colours such as these, this is a shocking blue that I keep on saying. Check out your palettes, summer's coming, bright colours are in, and you know we've got the skin tone to wear it. So
yeah, so have fun with the colours, enjoy yourself, don't worry about, oh, will it go, will it not match your skin tone. I'm sure you can make it work just like I did.
yeah, so see you soon.
See you in the next video. Bye.